Hello everyone and welcome to the meditation channel. Let's begin. Close your eyes. Get yourself in a comfortable position and listen to my voice. Just beginning to follow your breath in and out, in and out. Letting go, surrendering to this moment, just being as present as you can be with yourself. Inviting you to let go of any expectation. Just surrendering completely to this moment and being at peace with what is, how it is, as it is. And let's check in with yourself, just noticing how you feel. How does your body feel? How does your mind feel? Is it active? Is it quiet? Is it present? And what about your emotions? Positive, negative, neutral. Just become the observer. Listening and feeling, observing. Today we are going to call forth the water spirits. We are going to work with their frequency, their energy, and their healing today. And so I invite you now to visualize a beautiful circle of water forming around you. A soft blue, fresh, clear. Soothing yet powerful. This circle is designed to create a container of energy so that we may connect, tune in, and tap in with the water spirits, honoring them, appreciating them for their wisdom, their power, and their healing. And now above you visualize a beautiful blue light, soft blue light, gently surrounding you. Just like the rays of sun breaking through the water, as if you're swimming underwater. Absolute peace, quiet, stillness, feeling yourself floating in this light. We now invite the water spirits to step forward today to help us heal, reset the waters within us, within our system. We invite the water spirits to purify our waters, to cleanse, clear, and allow them to flow peacefully with ease. Clearing out all blocks, allowing us to be peacefully floating, aware and connected to our own body of water. And as you breathe in now, you're going to breathe in this beautiful blue light, allowing it to enter your body and enter your lungs. And through your lungs, it enters your bloodstream and moving through your whole body. We now invite the water spirits to send us the sacred codes of wisdom and knowledge, so that we too can receive the guidance, the information, and the healing, not just for ourselves, but to be of service to others and the collective. And so as you breathe in this beautiful blue light, you are receiving the energies and the information. Water holds memory. Remember that. And now we invite the beautiful water spirits to send us any other information that they believe is necessary for us to receive at this time. And so I invite you to listen, to feel, and notice if there are any parts of your body that tighten up, that react. And notice any thoughts, any feelings, any memories. Just become the observer. And dear spirits, is there anything else that we need to do or receive at this time? What actions may we need to take? And once again, listen. And finally, dear water spirits, I invite you to guide me to receive the information as to how I can be of service, honoring my path, my truth, my emotions, so that I may be in flow with life. And now, just letting go of anything that comes up that may be causing blocks, fears, insecurities. Just breathe it out, letting go of that toxic mentality, beliefs, and fears, trusting the information and the guidance that you are receiving. And now, spending a moment to say something kind to yourself, as your words have power. Your words influence the waters within you. Your thoughts and your feelings influence them also. And so I want you to think of something that you've always wanted to hear from a loved one that could change the way you feel immediately. And just taking a moment now to say that to yourself. Don't be afraid. Be loving, kind, supportive. Show up. And as you say these words, notice how much better you feel, how it shifts your frequency. And now the water spirits send you blessings and love, reminding you of the power of the waters within you. We now take a moment of gratitude for the water spirits, for their healing, for their love, for their sacred knowledge. And slowly, slowly, now that beautiful blue light fades away as the healing is now complete. Gently and slowly returning back now, feeling your breath and expanding your awareness back into your body, back into the space, gently and slowly. Take your time. I will let the music play for a while, but when it feels right, open your eyes.